In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Bus Simulator 21 Next Stop on your PC. So open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we need to search up this game at Steam, and then we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So please follow these steps and you will be set up in a couple of minutes. Now go to the Steam website quickly, don't waste too much time because we don't want to buy this game at Steam. So quickly search it up, the Bus Simulator 21, and select it. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €34.99 on Steam, quite expensive. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we are going to search for the same game, Bus Simulator 21 Next Stop. So search for the game, then select games on the left side, and after that sort by price lowest first. Now as you can see, we have a PC version over here, but it depends on which platform you would like to download this game. Let's say we would like to use a Steam account to download it, then you can proceed to this option because this is for the Steam platform. If you would like to download it on Epic Games, then you can use this one. For now I will use the Steam platform, and as you can see we have the Bus Simulator 21 over here for the PC, and we can activate it in our country, so make sure this text is marked green. After that select the game, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €9.39 compared to the Steam price of €34.99. If you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key to activate this game in Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!